After 14 years in the limelight as a television host and author, maybe it's time for a guy to kick back and relax a little. Yeah, right. What we have here is the annual Tulip Festival in Holland, Michigan.
This is where I'm checking the quality, the texture of the flower as I'm doing the grinding.
Costa Rica, land of rainforests, coffee, exotic animals, fabulous flora, and laid-back people.
So this is the coffee bean. If you taste it, it's sweet.
Coffee this fresh, it's the best part of any day. Eureka Springs, Arkansas, considered the little Switzerland of America because of its mountainous terrain and winding streets. Of course, living well is directly connected to eating well. Live life with a little more purpose. The main thing is don't overthink it, just do it.